Welcome to my fire pit. Off-grid living with the Bennetts. Well, I went fishing on the weekend, and after we went fishing, we sat by the fire. I found this to be quite intriguing. Basically, what happened was they grabbed a hollowed out log. It wasn't necessarily totally hollowed out, it was just a little rotten in the middle. And they set it in the fire in an upward position like that, and lit it on fire. Well, I thought I'd give it a try. See if it really does work, or whether it was a fluke. Well, there you go. You've got your fire inside the log burning, and it's burning more on the inside than it is on the outside. And the fire lasts a lot longer. And if you set that piece of wood level, you've got yourself an awesome spot to put a frying pan if you're cooking fish, cooking burgers, or whatever you're doing. I think it's an awesome idea. So if you don't want to keep running back and forth to the wood pile, get a piece of wood, drill some holes in it, or find a piece of wood with a rotten center in it, stand it up, and light it. All I did with that piece of wood was I put a couple pieces of paper inside and a little bit of fire starter, and I lit it from below, and the flame just shot right up through the center. Now, of course, it is going to burn on the outside. If you look at it, you see the outside is burning, but your wood will actually last longer this way. And so on the way back to my off-grid home, I stopped along the side of the road and grabbed a few of these pieces of wood. There was a forestry operation going on, and they had a bunch of logs laying at the side of the road, and the butts were rotten, so they cut the butts off, and they were just laying there. They can't use it for logs, so it was just going to get discarded. So I grabbed myself 3 or 4, brought them back, and I decided to light one up, see how it goes. So this piece of wood, if I was to go to my wood pile and get the equivalency of this piece of wood in wood that's already split, and I throw it in the fire, it's going to burn tremendously quicker than what this piece will. And like I say, it's going to save me a lot of back and forth throwing wood in the wood in the fireplace, but it's going to give me an awesome cook surface. So I'm going to save 3 or 4 of these pieces, and every time I find one where it's a little rotten in the middle, this is what I'm going to do with them. I'm not going to split them. I'm just going to save them. So this is a good tip for you guys that are having campfires all the time. Rather than getting out a grill, putting a grill across your fire pit, grab a piece of wood. This actually would do a better job because your flame coming out of that pit is going to be a lot more intense. So anyways, it's just a little tip for you. Thanks for watching my channel, and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. You have a great evening.